DJM TV. DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like una this week na be una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Delta State, the newest governor in town, Governor of Edo State. Your Excellency, the newest Deputy Governor in town, our brother Shaibu, the single senators that are here, the zonal chairman of our party, the state party chairman, Your Excellency, the former Deputy Governor, and other leaders, former Senator, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first of all thank all the entire people of Edo State for the support they have given to us since the campaign and during the election and after the election yesterday till today. To God be the glory, all their efforts are not in vain. Our governor has been declared as the winner of the September 19, 2020 governorship election in Edo State. I want to particularly thank my colleagues, the governor of Delta State, the governor of Oyo State, even though he had just left, and all other people who served in the campaign council. I don't know how to thank them, but it was a teamwork. I also thank the governor for giving us the necessary support that had to lead to this victory. I want to say thank you. The press, you've done noble, you've done marvelous. A few hours ago, we were here to brief you on what was going on. And thank God thereafter, the announcement came. And all those who worked in the campaign state in Edo State, we want to sincerely thank each and every one of you. Let me now formally introduce the newest governor. The man whom God used to fight Godfatherism. If for nothing, we have achieved that there was nothing called Godfatherism again in Edo politics. Edo people have spoken, and Edo people say, look, we cannot tie our faith in one man's hand. And that was what Edo people did yesterday. So I want to thank him that he volunteered himself to be used to fight for the interests of Edo people. My dear brother and your deputy, want to say, let the people, even though they've known you before, but probably they were thinking whether is it the person we know or not. So I want you to rise and thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, my brother governors, the governor of Rivers State and chairman of my gubernatorial campaign committee, His Excellency Wike, Your Excellency and my brother, governor of Delta State, Governor Okowa, my brother and deputy, the Right Honorable Philip Schreiber, the chairman of the Edo State version of the campaign council, and chairman South PDP, Chief Dan Obi, the chairman of our party, Edo State, Dr. Tony Azebami, distinguished senators, member of the House of Assembly, the Secretary to the Government of Edo State, Saudian Ogie, and all that distinguished leaders of our party who are present. Gentlemen of the press, the great people of Edo State have spoken, and they have spoken loud and clear. We thank God Almighty and give Him all the glory for this victory. Thank you, President Muhammadu Buhari, for defending our democracy and allowing the Independent Electoral Commission, INEC, and the security services to perform their constitutional functions without interference. INEC and the security services have shown Nigerians and the world indeed that they are capable of conducting free and credible elections. Words fail me in saluting the teeming supporters who displayed courage in the face of threats, intimidation, and brutalization. The collective will of Edo people made it possible for us to triumph over Godfatherism. We thank you all. I am eternally grateful to my party, the People's Democratic Party, PDP. And my brother governors, not only for giving us the umbrella during our political storm, but for the hard work which has brought me back to office. Our success has reinforced my belief that there's nothing we cannot achieve as a people if we pull forces together and collectively call on God for support. In conclusion, I reiterate to all of you today that working with my deputy, the Right Honorable Philip Schreiber, we are committed to make Edo great again. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for your support. God bless Edo State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
my governor, the Delta State Iron, Okowa, na strategy so does not make
DJM TV.
Fellow countrymen and women, I salute you once again in the course of our nation's history. I am reaching you directly from Edo. What we used to have as Oshobaba has now been reduced, downgraded, degraded to Osho Pikin. So nobody should call Oshobaba again. Never. The only thing you now have is Osho Pikin. Everybody, Obaseki me for one time, Obaseki. Wike me for 2 times, Wike. Makinde me for 1 time, Makinde. Ekwere Madu me for 1 time, Ekwere Madu. Oyadino me for half time, Di Mechionu. Otiko, Osho Pikin. Otiko, Osho Pikin. Tiko, Osho Pikin. Osho Baba, oh, na, Osho Pikin. Osho Pikin, oh, Osho Pikin. Osho Pikin. Obaseki flog you, Osho Pikin. How can you expect that during rainy season, a man with the umbrella will not win? Definitely PDP win. APC, how markets? Oshomole, how markets? How market now? How markets? Owó wọgbó lọ o. Owó wọgbó lọ o. Àwọn tó gbé dọ́là wá sẹ́dọ̀. Owó wọgbó lọ. Owó wọgbó lọ. Àwọn tó gbé bullion wá. Owó wọgbó lọ. Owó wọgbó lọ o. Owó wọgbó lọ o. Àwọn tó gbé dọ́là wá sẹ́dọ̀. Owó wọgbó lọ. Owó wọgbó lọ. Àwọn tó gbé dọ́là wá sẹ́dọ̀. Owó wọgbó lọ. Obaseki, pepper them, oh. Pepper them, oh. Philip Shaibu, pepper them, oh. Pepper them, oh. Wike, pepper them, oh. Wike, pepper them, oh. Pepper them, oh. Ekwere Madu, pepper them, oh. Pepper them. Makinde, pepper them, oh. Pepper them. Dinome Elaye, pepper them. Pepper them. Pepper them. So how market now? APC, how market? God pass Manjari. PDP.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take a watch our Ogbonge news like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot Ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV.